So lion's mane is this wonderful medicinal and culinary mushroom. And so here's a few ideas that you might be considering to kind of integrate this into your diet. Take advantage of it. It's a very long tradition of use in traditional Chinese medicine, right? There's even a Buddhist sect that has an image of the lion's mane mushroom, right? Because it looks like a lion mane. It's kind of white, big, fluffy mushroom um, on its belt. So really points to the mind, body, spirit connection that this mushroom herb can be providing you with. It's considered a very powerful yin tonic for the internal yin organs, and that's your heart, your liver, your lung, your spleen, and your kidneys. That's the that's the full body system. This goes right to the core of all those. It's incredible for supporting brain function. Do check out the materials. I hope you consider taking our healing herb health session on this herb. It just has incredible potentiality for so many conditions and healing nerval ending conditions. So brain, nerve, central nervous system, whether problems caused by drugs, and I even mean medicinal drugs, injury, Alzheimer's, dementia, depression, Parkinson's, right? Historically, it was used only by the nobility, right? So now you can start using it. And I think you're going to really want to. It's just delicious and big medicine. Now, in the West, it's most often used in capsules or in powdered form, right? It can be added to smoothies. Some people even add it to their coffee. In Asia, it's very commonly used in teas, and it's even cooked with, right? So it has this really delicious, delicate, very mild, sort of lobster-like flavor. Really wonderful in food. And we include some recipes for you to get you started. Um, so you can eat it raw. Not many mushrooms do you want to eat raw, or should you? They can be a little more toxic raw, so you want to cook even a lot of common mushrooms, right? But this one is one you can eat raw or cooked. Use it in soups, side dishes. It can even be used topically to help heal wounds and repair damage caused by nerve endings, to nerve endings due to injury. So lion's mane. You can use it first thing in the morning to start your day, or you can use it later at night before you go to bed so that it can be absorbed into your system. Hope you'll connect with me in our Healing Herb Health session. Certainly, you're welcome to send an email to info@whiterabbitinstituteofhealing.com. I'd love to hear from you.